Welcome to our deep dive into AI Zero Trust. Today we're focusing on Tenet 1, resources. This video is designed for cybersecurity professionals, IT managers, and anyone interested in implementing robust security frameworks. Understanding these foundational concepts is crucial for building resilient and secure systems in an AI-driven world. Zero Trust is a security model based on the principle of never trust, always verify. When integrating AI, this model becomes even more critical due to the dynamic and complex nature of AI systems and their data interactions. This series will break down the NIST Special Publication 800-207 guidelines, making them accessible and actionable for you. At the core of Zero Trust, Tenet 1 establishes a fundamental principle. All data sources and computing services are considered resources. This means every piece of information, every application, and every service, regardless of its location or perceived trustworthiness, must be treated as a potential access point requiring verification. A network in a zero-trust environment isn't monolithic. It's a complex ecosystem composed of multiple classes of devices. This diversity requires a flexible and granular approach to security, where each device's access is continually evaluated based on context and policy, rather than its network location. Consider small footprint devices, IoT sensors, smart appliances, or embedded systems. These often send data to aggregators or storage units. Under Zero Trust, even these seemingly minor interactions are part of the resource landscape. Their data flow must be continuously monitored and validated to prevent unauthorized data exfiltration or manipulation. Software as a service, or SaaS applications, are increasingly vital to modern enterprises. From CRM to communication tools, SaaS platforms host critical data and services. In a zero-trust framework, these external services are also considered resources. Access to them must be strictly controlled, with continuous authentication and authorization, treating them as if they were internal assets. Beyond data and applications, systems sending instructions to actuators, like industrial control systems or automated machinery, are also vital resources. Compromising these systems could lead to physical damage or operational disruption. Zero Trust demands that every instruction, every command, and every control signal is authenticated and authorized before execution. The other functions within a network are broad and encompass any element that contributes to the enterprise's operations. This could include specialized hardware, niche software, or even specific network protocols. The key is to identify and classify all these elements as resources that require protection and continuous verification. Zero Trust even extends to personally owned devices. If an employee's personal phone or laptop can access enterprise-owned resources, it too becomes a resource within the Zero Trust boundary. This requires robust device posture assessment and strict access controls to ensure that personal devices don't become backdoors into the corporate network. In summary, Tenet 1 of AI Zero Trust emphasizes that all data sources and computing services are considered resources, regardless of their nature or location. This foundational principle, as outlined in NIST Special Publication 800-207, is crucial for building a truly secure and resilient cybersecurity posture in today's complex digital landscape. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into the next tenet of AI Zero Trust.